Oh yeah, cooking, good food, and being with loved ones is a pretty great way to spend Thanksgiving.
And for our viewers who don't consider themselves to be talented chefs or who don't think that they can cook at all, we are here to help.
Don't show up to Thanksgiving dinner empty-handed this year. Our reporter Lauren Fox is here to show you an easy recipe that you can use this Thanksgiving.
Hey guys, we're gonna make some easy and inexpensive Thanksgiving side dishes. Get some acorn squash, some mushrooms. I went with portobello and a mix of mushrooms already sliced, some garlic, a sweet onion, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, salt, pepper, and oil. All right, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 425. The hardest part of this is cutting the acorn squash. Now it's time to add your salt and pepper. Then you're gonna wanna add a little bit of olive oil. You wanna make sure to add enough or the acorn squash will burn in the oven. And then you're just gonna mix it up. All right, we're gonna set our timer for 15 minutes. We're gonna take it out, rotate it, and then we're gonna put it in for 15 more minutes. Oh yeah, looking good. All right, it's all ready. We're gonna mix it all into some big bowls. Now, you have some food that's ready for Thanksgiving dinner.
Our reporter Lauren Fox has the scoop on some snowball cookies that make as a holiday treat.
Since most of us here in Florida won't be getting any snow this year, let's bring the snow to you with some coconut holiday snowball cookies. The ingredients you need to make this are 2 egg whites, some pure vanilla extract, sugar, flour, white chocolate wafers, some sweet coconut flakes, and some holiday sprinkles. I'm gonna mix it up real good. Time to preheat the oven to 325. Now you're gonna wanna take a half tablespoon and gently scoop it onto a baking sheet. All right, after 18 minutes, it's time to take out our snowballs. While our cookies are cooling, we're gonna take our white chocolate morsels, stick them in a bowl, and melt them. We're gonna lightly cover our snowballs so they're nice and white, just like snow. You're gonna wanna add your snowflake sprinkles to complete the snowball look. While they may not look like perfect snowballs, the only place they'll melt is in your mouth.
Those look delicious, Lauren. Thanks for the treats.